back. Today we're doing lesson 8 for math. It's more word problems, but this time we're working with dollar bills instead of cents. So for number 1, Patrick has one $10 bill. So I'm going to draw out a nice $10 bill. 2 $5 bills. And 4 $1 bills. I hope your drawings come out a little better than mine. So this is all the money that Patrick has, and now we want to know how much he has altogether, so we're going to add it up. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So Patrick I'm just going to shorten it to Pat so I can save us a little time. Pat has 24, and then you could either write out the word dollars or you could put the dollar sign, which is what I would do, in front of the number. Pat has $24. Number 2, Susan has 2 $5 bills and 3 $10 bills in her purse and 11 $1 bills in her pocket. How much money does she have in all? So I would draw them all out. I would start with the bigger bill, so the $10 bill. I would draw all those, then the 5s, and then the 1s. 3, Raja has $60. He gives one $20 bill and 3 $5 bills to his cousin. How much money does Raja have left? So he has 60. He gets rid of one $20 bill. So one $20 bill is worth $20. So we take away 20. 60 take away 20 is 40. And he gets rid of 3 $5 bills. So 3 $5 bills would be 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So he gave him 15. So now we have our 40. And we take away 15. You can set this up the vertical way, and you'll get the answer of 25. But we're not done. You need to put that in a sentence. How much money does Raja have left? You can write out Raja has $25 left. Next page of the problem set. More questions like the same above. Some are adding, some are subtracting, but most of them are all two-step problems at least. The homework pages. Mr. Chang has 4 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 6 1s. How much does he have in all? 2, at her yard sale, Danielle got one $20 bill and 5 $1 bills last week. This week, she got 3 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills. What is the total amount she got for both weeks? So you'll have to add all together. 3, Patrick has 2 few $10 bills than Brenna. Patrick has $64. How much money does Brenna have? The next page of homework, more word problems. 4 is a little bit tricky. It's multi-step. And when you are done with the math, I would like you to please submit this page on Seesaw. The first homework page, questions 1, 2, and 3. Thanks.